Today we are heading to the Botanic Gardens. To get there, take the MRT to Botanic Gardens station, or you can take any of these buses to reach there.
Hello guys, we are NSCW Travels and today we'll be bringing you through Botanical Gardens to see its flora and fauna. Alright guys, let's go!
The Singapore Botanic Gardens has been inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site at the 39th session of the World Heritage Committee in Germany, Bonn. The gardens is the first and only tropical botanic garden on the UNESCO's World Heritage List. It is the first in Asia and the third botanic gardens inscribed in the world.
Hey, video!
You're so lucky. Nafis! I start going already.
Symphony Lake is a lake in the Singapore Botanic Gardens. It is an artificial lake and there are turtles and fishes in it. A vending machine selling fish food is available if any of you are interested to feed the fishes. It also features a large stage known as the Shaw Foundation Symphony Stage, built in the middle of the water body. And sometimes during the weekends or at night, there will be various types of performances there.
More than halfway.
We are now on our way to the main attraction of the Botanic Gardens, which is the National Orchid Garden.
Alright guys, we are now at the National Orchid Garden where we'll be able to see the Singapore flower, the orchid.
With over 1,000 species and 2,000 hybrids, the National Orchid Garden is the product of the Garden's Orchid Breeding Program, which began in 1928. The garden offers a permanent showcase and the largest display of orchids in the world. The first area we went to was the Tan Hun Xiang Miss House. Against a backdrop of tropical foliage and cultural decor, displays of new orchid cultivars can be seen here. Next, we headed towards the cool house. The cool house temperatures are regulated to simulate the high altitude tropical forest. Orchids preferring colder climates can be seen there, as well as a selection of carnivorous plants such as the Venus flytrap, sundew, and pitcher plant. After we left the National Orchid Garden, we proceeded on to the Swan Lake. The Swan Lake is the biggest lake in the Singapore Botanic Gardens, and it is located near to the Tanglin Gate and the Singapore Botanic Gardens office. Also watch out for the white swans swimming in the lake.
Okay, we are now at the other end of the Botanical Garden, which is the Tanglin Gate.
Oh, you got snake, I see. Champion.
The Singapore Botanic Gardens Heritage Museum is 2-storey high. The museum's first floor lays out the history of the Singapore Botanic Gardens, while the second floor of the Heritage Gallery showcases the economic role played by the Singapore Botanic Garden.
Alright guys, we'll now be doing our Botanical Gardens review. So Zhi Xing, how do you feel?
I feel that this is a very nice place to be because of the gardens, the flowers and trees. You can actually find animals that you cannot find on the streets like monitor lizards, rooster and even swans.
Okay, so how about you, Daniel?
I feel that this is a very nice place to be, very scenic views with a lot of different flowers and plants and trees. So it's also home to one of our national flowers, the national flower Vanda Miss Wakin, and there's also the area I particularly liked was the celebrity orchid area where the different orchids were named after different celebrities.
As for me, I particularly like the National Orchid Garden where you can find a cool room inside where they house the carnivorous plants. So it's also particularly cheap for students, which only costs $1. Yeah, so it's very recommended. Alright guys, we've come to the end of our video. Please like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram account in the description below. Okay, also check out for our next video which contains all the bloopers of our trips. See you next video.